go. Over a low water bridge crossing again. It's real clear. So I think we have decided that we are going to stay here. And we plan to stay a couple of nights here. Good Lord, that's rocking that thing. My word. Is it cold? No?
It's a little chilly, but it feels good.
We are all set up, and y'all, this spot is amazing. Look at that. There she is. Oh, she's pretty dirty right now. We went through a lot of dust and dirt and stuff to get here. So, yeah. Y'all, this is beautiful. We are in the Ozark Mountains. Do you know what town or?
I'll have to look. It's a location I found on Overlander.
Yeah.
Overlander. And I just picked it and directions and we headed over here.
And it's beautiful, y'all. There was some really nice girls down here earlier. And they told us about, we was going to go on through that direction. And it looked pretty scarce, so we wasn't sure. But they said there's an old school building over there. So we're going to go walk around there in a little while. And after we cool off for a minute. And so we'll see y'all soon. It works. Look at there.
Cool.
That is cool. It's right here in front of the school.
Union School.
Union School. Let's go take a look in it. School time, everybody.
It is the Union Schoolhouse, placed on the National Register of Historical Places in 2011. The original Union School was founded in 1886. It burned in January of 1928 and was rebuilt by local craftsmen in 1929. The school served multiple functions in the Mount Levi community, including a church, a Masonic lodge, and a community building. When the Mount Levi and Lamar school districts consolidated in 1944, the building was deeded to the community for its continued use. As the community declined in the 1970s, the schoolhouse was neglected and heavily vandalized for more than 35 years. In 2009, a group of volunteers began the restoration process, preserving this wonderful place of history for future generations to enjoy. And there's pictures of the original schoolhouse.
And there it is when they redid it.
So let's go walk over there and get a gander on the inside.
Isn't that pretty behind there, all those mountains? That's really cool. Oh, this is really neat. I had those when I was in school. Those ABCs up there to teach you how to write in cursive. I remember them. Oh, this is really cool. It's all that. Runaway parents. You know, I'm sitting down on one of these little desks getting my learnings. And what I'm learning is, this is somebody's memo book. And look at the handwriting. 1946 diary. This is really cool. Like there's no water, there's no creek or no whatever. And this water just suddenly appears coming out of the ground. Like under the ground. Isn't that cool? No more. That's cool. And goes down to there.
Am I good?
Yeah. Yeah. Just go easy, easy, easy. Cut your wheels. This is a little one-lane bridge. We're passing by this little church and it says Sweet Home. That's so neat. I'm gonna have to look up the story on this. Sweet Home with the cross. Huh. Donations appreciated. Oh, here's a little card on it. Well, if I can get my fat fingers in there. Isn't that neat? It says, Sweet Home. I'm gonna have to go look that up. Pretty neat.